Hey y'all, today I thought I would walk you through the process of how I actually mill grains and turn them into flour that I use to make muffins and breads and anything that you would use an all-purpose flour for. I thought I would walk you through the process of exactly how I use my grain mill, the different types of wheat berries that I use and recommend, and how I make a loaf of bread. So let's get started. Ever wondered why homemade bread never quite tastes like the bakery? The secret is in the flour. Today I'm showing you how to easily mill your own flour at home using the Nutrimill Classic and why it's a total game changer for flavor, nutrition, and texture. To get started, you only need two things: whole wheat berries and a good grain mill. I use the Nutrimill Classic. It's powerful, simple to use, and makes fresh flour in just minutes. Freshly milled flour is alive with flavor and nutrition. Commercial flour loses nutrients and flavor within days of milling. By milling at home, you keep the natural oils, vitamins, and freshness intact, resulting in healthier, more flavorful bread. In just a few minutes, you'll have fresh flour ready to use. The Nutrimill can grind several cups at a time, making it perfect for baking day or meal prepping flour ahead of time. We'll start by adding warm water to the bowl of a stand mixer, then a splash of extra virgin olive oil and a bit of honey to gently sweeten the dough. This is the base for our soft, flavorful sandwich bread. To the wet ingredients, I add my freshly milled flour. You'll notice that I don't use a kitchen scale. I prefer to keep things simple. And then I add instant yeast, salt, and a little sunflower lecithin. The lecithin helps keep the bread soft and improves the texture, especially when baking with whole grains. It's not necessary, but I definitely recommend it. When you mix your dough, you're going to want to use your dough hook attachment. You don't have to knead heavily, just mix until a soft dough forms. It should pull away from the bowl, and then you'll know that it's ready. And then cover your bowl and let it rise for about an hour, until it's just about doubled. Once your dough is risen, gently divide it and shape it into loaves. I like to use 2 standard loaf pans. Now cover the loaves and let them rise again for about 45 minutes while the oven preheats. You'll know they're ready when they rise just above the rim of the pan. Bake until golden brown and your kitchen smells amazing. Then allow the loaves to cool completely before slicing, if you can wait that long. This is the bread that feeds my family well. It's soft, wholesome, and made with simple ingredients I can feel good about. Once you start baking with fresh flour, you'll never go back. You can find the full recipe down below in the description, along with links to some of my favorite tools and tips for getting started with fresh milled flour. Whether you're brand new or looking to take your baking deeper, everything you need is right there to help you get started.